70% of the coins out there today are garbage and will go away. The question is, just like the internet bubble, which of the companies survive?
My son and I lived together during the pandemic, and he gave me a lecture every day on the fact that I had opined about Bitcoin without knowing what I was talking about, which is certainly true.
I can't tell you it's a value, but I won't tell you that you should short it because it's likely to be higher in the coming months.
You have to go push out the risk curve and go further afield,
right,
into new things or odd things.
If you want to be long cryptocurrency, probably now's not a bad time to get long. Probably now's not a bad time to get long. Probably now's not a bad time to get long.
Okay, what is going on, CYPRX advanced YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. As always, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, foreign exchange, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Quick video breakdown for you all here today. I'm going to show you all how they are trying to scrutinize low-income individuals, the lower class population, and stop them from investing in cryptocurrency assets. I'm going to show you all here via articles time and time again showing you all that these millionaires and billionaires are not sleeping on cryptocurrency. Why do you think that is? Almost every single millionaire that you can Google on the internet is in some way, shape, or form invested in cryptocurrency or in some type of digital asset class, okay? You guys can go do your own personal research, but these multimillionaires and billionaires are not sleeping on cryptocurrency projects. I'm gonna take your attention over here showing you all that they are trying to stop low-income individuals from investing in cryptocurrencies. Why? Because this disrupts the financial ecosystem. When lower-level class individuals become multimillionaires or billionaires, especially from something as fast as cryptocurrency, it completely disrupts every single plan that they have attached to keeping people in poverty, okay? So reading this article here, and I want you all to pay attention to key phrases and also the pictures that they use. Understand that the media is completely manipulated via the vocabulary that they use, the pictures that they utilize. It's just hilarious how they do this. Anyways, Jack Dorsey, Jay-Z's Bitcoin Academy to teach financial literacy to residents of Brooklyn housing projects. When the elite saw this, they were probably like, oh, heck no. There's no way we're going to try and let this happen. We're going to scrutinize them, put them under siege, talk about this, make it such a big deal, right? Twitter co-founder and Block CEO Jack Dorsey and rapper Sean Jay-Z Carter are teaming up to launch a Bitcoin Academy, an educational program designed to teach participants about financial literacy. Look at this picture that they use here. He's got a nice haircut, nice little smile, nice suit on, right? Looks nice and presentable, okay? Pay attention to this picture because it changes later on. The free classes, which will be offered in person and online from June 22nd through September 7th, are exclusively available to residents of Brooklyn's New York's Marcy House complex, where Jay-Z grew up. The Bitcoin Academy plans to eventually expand to other neighborhoods in the future. Coming down here, a spokesperson for the Bitcoin Academy confirmed to Fox Business that the curriculum will include topics such as what is money, what is cryptocurrency, and what is blockchain, and how to keep yourself safe from scammers. Okay, I just think that this is very good for the community. Personally, I kudos to them that they're doing this for lower class individuals. You don't see stuff like this a majority of the time, okay? Right? Coming over here to this article, I like how they backfire this. Jack Dorsey and Jay-Z under fire for Bitcoin education program in Brooklyn public housing complex. Now look at the picture that they utilize. He's got a scruffy little beard, right? And this is only a day after they released the first article. Now he's got dreadlocks in his picture, no lineup, right? Kind of looks unpresentable, okay? Or at least to the elite individuals, this is an unpresentable look, right? And what do we see down here? Critics say the program may not be the best way to help low-income communities. Why not? Why, if these millionaires and billionaires are investing in cryptocurrency assets and taking educational classes to inform themselves on how to properly invest or dollar cost average into this crypto space, why is it not okay for lower class individuals to do such a thing? We see down here them taking fire for opening up this potential Bitcoin class. Education is where we start. This isn't just about Bitcoin. It's about long-term thinking, local economies, and self-confidence, Dorsey tweeted on Thursday. And we see critics constantly scrutinizing the fact that they are doing this for lower income individuals. Again, them trying to stop lower income individuals from investing into cryptocurrency because they know how massive the future potential of this crypto space is. Just like how they did with the internet surge and boom and bust cycle, and as well as the cell phone adoption, they told everybody that it was all a hoax. It's not going anywhere. It's nothing's going to happen, right? It's all just a smokescreen. And now look at internet adoption. Now look at cell phone adoption. You cannot find, and I guarantee you that you as an individual do not know one single person that does not at least use the internet or use the cell phone, right? Cryptocurrency is going to be the same thing. Okay, but look at this. Bitcoin is trading at about $30,000. Obviously, of course, this was the other day, more than 40% lower than its recent peak of about 69,000 in November. The way Bitcoin fluctuates, I am just having a really hard time seeing the point in this, said Twitter user Gabby about the program. Others have also asked whether the two billionaires should help vulnerable communities more directly. If you ask Marcy House residents how to best meet their needs, how many would say a Bitcoin class? Look how they word that. How many people would say a Bitcoin class? Obviously, of course, they don't know what Bitcoin is or cryptocurrency in general. So this is what the course is for. But we see here, crypto enthusiast Austin Roby asks Darcy in a direct tweet. There are also concerns that putting cryptocurrencies into the hands of marginalized communities, look at the vocabulary they use, it's disgusting. Marginalized communities could make them more vulnerable to financial fraud. Last year, now they talk about scammers. Last year, scammers stole cryptocurrencies worth of an excess of $1 billion from more than 46,000 people per a June 3rd report from the Federal Trade Commission. So right here, we see fear, uncertainty, and doubt. A normal, every average class retail investor will read this and be like, oh, you know what? Cryptocurrency is crazy. I'm not getting involved. I want to take your attention over here, okay? Coinbase has been attempting to educate people for quite some time in the cryptocurrency community and space, right? But you don't see any scrutiny or any fire coming their way when they try to give educational classes. It's just because these two millionaires are public, right? Talking about teaching people Bitcoin. So this is the way that the general media can come and scrutinize these individuals for doing such a thing. Where's the follow-up article right here on Coinbase when they were sitting here trying to teach people how to dollar cost average in? This is from CoinbaseBlog.com. This is a little class on how to dollar cost average properly into cryptocurrency assets. You don't see it, right? You don't see it. Why? Because there's no image, right? There's no image for them to scrutinize, okay? But you see here how they scrutinize Jay-Z's image. I'm just saying, guys, the news and the media is manipulated via imagery and vocabulary. Okay, why would they use a nice picture over here of him with a little, edge cut, fade, right? Nice little suit. And then boom, we got Jay-Z over here kind of laughing, nonchalant, right? With his dreadlocks out, with a beard all mishap and miskept, right? It's hilarious the way that they do this stuff, guys and gals, okay? Coming over here, showing you all proof is in the pudding that these multimillionaires and billionaires are invested and heavily involved in cryptocurrency communities. Jamie Dimons, JP Morgan says, Bitcoin slide has created a significant upside for crypto investors. Why would this individual be saying that if he didn't believe in the asset class? Bitcoin's recent slide has left the digital token well below its fair price, giving the cryptocurrency a significant upside, now JP Morgan Chase said in a research note this week. Okay, probably nothing, right? Coming over here, Mark Cuban says that 80% of his investments that aren't in Shark Tank are crypto related. Here's where I look to invest. Coming down here, reading the meat of this article, billionaire Mark Cuban is mostly investing in cryptocurrency nowadays. The investments I'm making now are not in traditional businesses, Cuban said on a recent episode of the Problem with Jon Stewart podcast. In fact, 80% of the investments that I make that are not on Shark Tank are in and around cryptocurrencies. Again, probably nothing, right? Billionaire Carl Icahn eyes potential $1.5 billion crypto investment. I wonder why. U.S. billionaire and one-time cryptocurrency skeptic Carl Icahn is contemplating a potential $1.5 billion investment in digital currencies. Why on earth would a billionaire be seeking to put $1.5 billion, guys and gals, that is a lot of money, into a cryptocurrency asset class if he did not believe it had future potential? Do you see what they're doing? This is a transfer of money from weak hands to smart hands, and all the individuals that were invested in cryptocurrency probably over the past 2 to 3 years are now shaken out. They've sold their cryptocurrency assets. Why? Because they over leveraged. They put cryptocurrency money into the asset class that they weren't willing to lose, which caused them to close out their positions. Now the bank and institutions, now that prices at discounted areas, are going to eat up these low prices. And your average everyday retail investor is going to look at this and see all of these. Why do you think these numbers here are in red? Do you think that it's just a coincidence? Red is a psychological trigger to stop people from doing something, right? Think of a stop sign, think of a stoplight. Why do you think they're colored red? It is on purpose. It shows fear. People see these numbers and they don't want to invest in cryptocurrency because they don't know the potential that investing in these low prices has for the future, okay? Showing you guys again, what do we see here? Jeff Bezos reveals his $1 billion crypto portfolio, not million, right? Not a couple 100,000, no, $1 billion crypto portfolio. Coming over here, this article from fxstreet.com, very interesting, is the bottom end. Raoul Paul Scaramucci, load up, Nevergrats, and Hayes weigh in. Some of the highest profile investors in crypto believe that the crypto market bottom is fast approaching, although a couple of them still warn a catastrophic outcome should prices fall below established support levels could remain. Billionaire Mike Novogratz, the founder and chairman and CEO of digital assets merchant bank and Galaxy Digital Holdings, told a Morgan Stanley conference on June 13 that the cryptocurrency may be close to a bottom. Coming down here, Paul loading up. Macro investor Raoul Paul has taken the recent market downturn as an opportunity to add to his crypto positions. Again, I wonder why. On June 14th, he told his 956,000 Twitter followers that we are in a buy zone for Bitcoin, adding he was ready to significantly add to his crypto positions, probably starting next week and into July. Why do you think these individuals are investing in the cryptocurrency assets? And they're not just normal people. They are millionaires and billionaires investing into this crypto space because they know the future potential. Guys and gals, wake up. Understand what it is that's actually happening right now in the crypto space. I've told you all multiple times that there is a digital new world order taking place. They are trying to stop lower class individuals from investing in cryptocurrency assets by completely demoralizing and spamming this market with fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Okay? Don't pay attention to that. Understand that if you invest in proper cryptocurrency assets with future utility and use cases, most likely you are going to come out on top in the next 3 to 5 years. Don't sit there and think that you're going to get scammed. Figure out a way around that and how to protect your capital by investing in a cold storage wallet or not investing in a cryptocurrency asset that doesn't have future utility and use cases, by not properly doing your research. Okay, there are ways for you to protect yourself against fraudulent activity in this cryptocurrency space. If you go back and actually do your research on all the individuals that have gotten scammed in this market, it is because of a few different things. They held their cryptocurrency assets on exchanges that are prone to scam and malicious attacks. Number one. Number two, they did not invest in cryptocurrency assets with utility and use cases that have been around for years. They invested in, meme tokens or NFTs, or they clicked on links, spam links that were sent to them on Twitter or Instagram or YouTube or whatever the case may be. The people that are getting scammed from these markets most of the time are individuals that are not doing proper research and individuals that are just nonchalantly investing and immaturely investing in the crypto space. But the individuals that are actually securing their crypto off of exchanges, investing in cryptocurrency assets with utility and use cases, do your research. Those are the individuals that are not getting scammed. So all these numbers, all these red numbers about scam and malicious activity that you guys are seeing, if you actually look at the statistics, it is individuals that are immaturely involving themselves into the crypto space by just randomly clicking on links or buying ledger devices off of links that were sent to them off of some random person on Twitter, right? You have to understand that if you don't do those things, you are less, like literally the percentage of you getting scammed in the cryptocurrency market is so small, it's not even funny. Okay, but these articles will tell you that scamming in crypto space is such a hot topic, right? No, be smart about your assets, okay? Learn how to protect yourself in this market space, and most likely you will be fine. Okay, blessings to you guys all. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy or sell Bitcoin, XRP, or any other cryptocurrency asset. Do your own personal research. I'm solely here trying to spread cryptocurrency awareness. Blessings to you guys all. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video breakdown. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the YouTube channel on your way out. As always, be cognizant. Please, I'm begging you guys, be aware. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video breakdown.